Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing. I know you guys can't even see it. Oh my gosh. So it's right here. This is the axle, the front axle. I'm gonna do an unboxing on it for my car, 2008 Toyota Avalon, and it also works for the Toyota Highlander as well. I can't remember what year to what year they ended. I can't remember what year. But this is for the driver's side, so this is a shorter one. You know, the two of them, the one always will be short, one will always be longer than one and shorter than one. The passenger side is longer, driver's side is shorter. That's just how it is, because the transmission is actually on the driver side. So yeah, but anyways, let me see if I could turn this lower, get this lower down like so, and I'm gonna use my key. I should have like a knife or something to like rip this open. Let's see what I could do. Alright, it works. If you guys knew, if you guys knew, guys, don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe. You know, you can share this video out. Quick unboxing. I love it, I love it, I love it. Yes, GSP CV axle. Yeah, I bought it off Walmart. It was like 70 something dollars. I had used my mom discount, so I ended up paying like 75 bucks. This is a shorter one. Until I get some money to get the passenger side, I will do another one. You know, but I'm just want to show you guys how it looks, and I don't want to waste you guys time, but man, you guys can see. All right, I'm back. So here we are. Let me go down some lower. I had dropped the camera the first time, so sorry about that. I apologize. I had to start back over this video. But here it is. Here it is, guys. Bring it back up. So let me bring it down a little bit so you guys can see what I'm working with. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm going to explain to you guys. Trying to take it out of the plastic. Alright, so this end, got a seal right there. Okay, this end right here, this part right here go into your transmission. Without your axle, for the people who don't know, without your CV axle, your car is not gonna go nowhere. Like literally, you cannot drive without an axle. This is what actually make the vehicle, your wheels move. This right here go into the transmission from the driver. This is for the driver's side. So your transmission sits right there, and this right here push into from the side. It goes like boom into your transmission, clicks in, and this end right here, this other end right here, as you can see over here, this one connect to your wheel. So as you can see, the nut, everything right here that's on it, this one connect to your wheel. Now if your axle goes bad, sometime when you turn your wheel, you'll hear some clicks. Sometime if the booth is damaged, it will leak like some grease. They got grease inside of these rubber booth. So if the rubber booth get a cut, slit, whatever, and it's leaking, it's eventually going to go bad because it's going to pick up moisture. You know, when it rains, it doesn't matter. Once they leak out all the grease out of it, it's going to just start, the axle is going to be done. So as I said, when you turn your wheel, you might hear some click, click, click. Once you hear any type of clicking, that is your CV axle is bad. It's basically damaged. Do your best, you know, while you're driving. Do your best while you're driving sorry, so I'm stuck in my beard. Do your best to not to drop in no potholes. It will damage, potholes will damage majority anything. It'll damage your axle, your shocks, the in and out of tie rod, your ball joint, your control arm. The more you keep driving excessively and dropping hard in these potholes, they could damage any part of the suspension. So you don't want that. So be easy while you drive on the road. Take your time, steer out. Take your time and steer out. If you can't steer out of the pothole, just take your time and just go down gently and come out of there. You feel me? But yeah, it's good to get a good quality, high quality aftermarket part. This is aftermarket. This is not OEM. And I read up on this. This is GSP axle part. The brand actually is GSP. So let me show you guys the box, how it looks. You know, it's blue, but it say GSP. Bought it from Walmart. You see it? Yeah, Walmart. Hope you guys enjoy my unboxing. I'm holding my axle. I feel like I want to do it myself. I know I don't have the time, because this looks like an easy job. You gotta take off the tire, take off probably the knuckle and everything. Probably would just change my ball joint, because I have a feeling my ball joint is bad as well, because the in and the outer tie rod, all that is bad. You still gotta, everything is like right there. You still gotta remove everything. So, and then to take the axle out and just put this one in, replace it. But yeah, guys, this is how the CV axle look. This is the one on the driver's side. The driver's side will always be the shortest one. The longer one will be on the passenger side, because the longer one, since the transmission is over here, the longer one got to go in from this side, this way, go in, boom, and the other end is where it connected to your tire. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Let me give you guys another look of it. This is how it looks. If you look on your vehicle, I don't know for the guys, if you do your own oil changes and everything, or for anybody, if you know you're driving and you turn and you hear some click click, any click click noise, that's your axle going out the door. And you don't want to drive on it for too long, because it could cause some serious problems and it could cause accident on the road. So that's why I'm cautious, really cautious on the road. And sometimes if the seal is damaged as well, when you're doing your oil change or you jack up your car and you see your transmission is like leaking, any transmission, that's just the seal is damaged. It will, that's normal. You know, that's normal when your axle is bad and you see your transmission is like leaking. You're not going to see the leak, like literally you jack up the car or whatever and you see it just leaking out transmission oil, transmission fluid like that. You're just going to see the stain or the residue, like the aftermath. That's what you're going to see. It's not going to just literally, you see a leak and it just continue just leaking like that. No, it's only like when you start and when you drive, because the seal from the transmission is damaged, ain't no good. That easy replace. That'd be like, what, like last time I paid for something like that, it was like 30 bucks at the shop. And I could have get an OEM one too for like 20 bucks. But you know how it is. At these shops, they got their own thing going on. They recommend their own part, whatever, and you don't have the time. You know, I didn't have the time to like, oh, let me order it and wait. Nah, it was already done. But yeah, this is the unboxing, guys. This is the CV axle, driver side, for the driver side. Doing my best to push out these videos to teach people. You know, we all learn something new every day. We definitely do. So without this, your vehicle not gonna move. You step on the gas, you don't got no axle, the engine gonna rev, car not gonna move. It's not gonna move without an axle. The vehicle need an axle for your wheel to spin, because the axle go into the transmission. For the people who don't know, I know that's common, but you know, a lot of people don't know. You know, can't call nobody stupid, because when you don't know, you just don't know. It's easy. It's easy when you know something than when you don't know. It's just like you taking a test. You don't know nothing because you didn't study. But people who study, it's easy to them because they remember. You know, so that's all it is. But as you can see right here, quality driven performance. And I will do, when I get it installed and everything, I will make sure I make another video whenever it go bad. And I'm going to do my best not to drop into no pothole and damage anything. I don't want nothing to be damaged. The more you damage, the more money you spend. So I'm very excited. I'm very excited. Because this, as I said, this is a high quality aftermarket part. So people don't have no money to spend such and such money on OEM. OEM is really expensive, but it's really worth the OEM, you know, part. It outlasts anything else. But since this is recommended as one of the high quality aftermarket part, that's why I purchased it. And I can't wait to buy the one for the driver's side. For the passenger side, I'm sorry. But thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. This is the unboxing of the GSP quality driven performance CV axle for a 2008 for my 2008 Toyota Avalon. I know it probably worked for the Camry, and probably works for the I think it works for the Highlander as well too, but definitely for my car. Peace, bye bye, take care, God bless, and see you guys next time when I'm probably getting it installed, or when it's already on the vehicle, and I'll just let you know how it feels and everything, and give you a rundown later on, probably sometime next year. If it goes bad before it's time, I'll let you guys know to get it or not to get it, whatever, or how long it lasts. I don't know. Peace. I'm out of here for real. Where's my smile at the end? Peace.